Varun sir is very energetic. That's one thing. I can say that you can never fall asleep while watching his videos. My name is Susmita Bose, and professionally, I was working as a tax consultant at Delloite prior to joining CPA. I have completed my accounting courses before, and yes, I am a CA inter as well. The Miles LMS is very easy to use. In fact, I was very happy using it, but of course, it has evolved over time. So when I was using it in early 2020, it was a lot different than what it is now. It has changed in a very good way, and I'm very happy with it. For now, it is very good. And of course, the support system is just awesome. Like, the IT support is really good, I must say that. Read through the entire materials once before your exam. I would suggest at least allow yourself one day to complete the book cover to cover. Each page you should read, write your notes, color code your notes. I know I might sound a bit frivolous, but use as much colorful stationery as you can. I use that. Varun sir uses a yellow highlighter. That's his highlight. But I might have my additional points. So for my first revision, I use a green highlighter. Then the next time I revise, I find, oh my God, these are some new notes that I need to read, or some new points that I need to remember. So that goes in blue highlighter or orange highlighter. So this goes on. As many revisions I keep on going, my highlighter keeps changing color. So I know what I need to focus on more and more. Next is take breaks. Always keep your mind refreshed. You need enough number of breaks between your study sessions.